You've probably seen this effect 100 times, that smooth cinematic parallax move, the one creators like Magnates Media and Iman Gadzhi use to bring a still image to life. It looks expensive, it looks complicated, but what if I told you that you can create this exact effect in After Effects in just a couple of minutes? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, using my plugin, Camera 3D Toolkit Pro. So let's jump right in. First, we need our images. Open ChatGPT and paste in the prompt. It'll generate your images for you, a subject in the foreground and a clean background. Once you have them, drag them straight into your project panel inside After Effects. Now let's create a new composition. I'm going with 1920 by 1080, standard full HD, and click OK. Next, grab both images and drop them onto the timeline. They might come in a little smaller than the comp, so just hit the S key to bring up scale and size them up until they fill the frame. Now, this next part is really important, especially in this latest version 3.6. Before we do anything, click in an empty area to deselect both layers. Here's why. If you leave your images selected and hit the quick button, Camera 3D Toolkit Pro will create a separate camera and a separate null for every single layer. And that's not what we want. So if that happens, just press Ctrl Z to undo it. To get one single camera and one single null, make sure nothing is selected and then click quick. So I click quick and there we go. It creates our camera, just like that. Now, if I turn on the 3D view, you'll notice the plugin has automatically spaced the layers out, about 1,000 pixels apart in 3D space. And that depth is exactly what's going to sell the effect. Let's work with our subject first. I'll select the person layer and use the Z slider to push it forward closer to the camera, right up until it moves out of frame and you can't see it anymore. Then I'll select the background layer and click Match Camera. This locks the background onto the camera. Now I select the person layer again and hit the target button. And just like that, the animation is created. Let me play it back for you. There it is. The camera glides through the scene and you instantly get that beautiful sense of depth. It's a little fast though, so let's slow it down. I'll drag the keyframe out to around the 5-second mark. Watch that again. So much smoother. Now you'll notice something. The background has shrunk down compared to the composition. That's the depth effect at work, and it's an easy fix. Just select the background layer and click the BG Fit button. This automatically resizes the background to match your composition perfectly. And now, let's play the final result. Look at that. A clean, professional parallax effect, that gorgeous 3D camera move, and we built it in just a few clicks. So that's how simple it is with Camera 3D Toolkit Pro. If you want to grab the plugin for yourself, the download link is waiting for you in the description. And if you've already purchased it, just head over to your account portal and download this latest update for free. Oh, and right now, the whole thing is 40% off. So this is the perfect moment to grab it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.